Alright, how you going, guys? Dieter here again on another job. This is a job we're doing for my brother for my house removals and for DevBuilt. As we get into this one, Ralph slid across yesterday. Today's Tuesday, the 15th of June 2021, and we're just getting into this one. So there's a lot of work to do on it. As she dives down there, look, you'll see, have some fun with these videos as you see this one. We go down here and it's way down there. That's where we're going to stump it, down there. So you can see the corner peg, yeah, right there. That's the corner of the house. Right, so that's what we're going to do. He's got from here, that way he's going to be dug out. And it's all got to be cleaned up through there, and he's got a carport coming off this side, double carport. And yeah, it's going to be fun. Something to do. But this is on Grey Road at West End. So here it is, see, Grey Road, corner of Doris Street. As we go through, nice Land Rover. Love Land Rovers. Okay, and the excavator got in the builder starts tomorrow, and they've got to clean that site next door, take that fence out, which is great. They've got the access to do that, and then we can start cleaning up down there from what Ralph did with the Ralph's boys did with the slide, and start getting it ready for stumping. But there, nice workers' cottage. Almost colonial. If there's a veranda on this side, it'd be a colonial. But looking good. Alright, that's where we're going to leave it. We're going to go down the road to the best snack bar in this area, grab some salads for lunch, take home, and it's raining right now. Raining in June. And it's actually one of the warmer days of June. So it was yeah, the warmest morning we've had in 2 weeks. But this is where we're at. We'll take another video tomorrow. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you again soon. Bye.